There goes a hearse.
Well, he ain't gonna be able to hit that and take off,
Yeah,
is he?
You guys know how light that is? You can just like fucking throw in a paper airplane. I think he'll take off before he hits the runway.
We'll stand right out on the runway, maybe take off before he hits me.
So yeah, fuck yeah, when he comes in for a landing.
Come fly right over the top of us.
There he goes.
Knock your hat off.
Crazy bastard, look at him. Oh, he's already fucking getting some whip. There he goes. There he goes.
Fuck yeah. This fucker's shaky.
It stabilizes it for you. That's it. Yeah, he'll go out and fly for a fucking hour or so, dude. Fucking awesome. That crazy bastard. Look out for that jet!
I lost it.
You lose him?
I should be able to, he said I should be able to get him from here still.
Didn't take much to get it up, did it?
There it is.